What's going on, E-World? Morning time, good evening time, whatever the case may be in your part of the world. Just want to give a little pre-explanation of this video I'm about to upload. It's proven my theory that I could actually teach and show anyone how to DIY their e-bike motor, controller, whatever online, even if they've never even done it before, ever. As long as they got two good hands and a good brain that can do what I explain to them to do and tell them to do, you can repair your own e-bike as long as you are some type of craftsman and can work with your hands. The guy I'm working with in this video has only been in the e-bike game for 2 months. 2 months this guy's been in the e-bikes, and what we did was replace hall sensors in a Qs205 motor. He replaced his own hall sensors with me instructing him via video chat. And I've been trying to get my Patreon going and letting people know that yes, I can help you repair whatever's wrong with your bike. First we diagnosed this problem. First we determined that he had bad hall sensors. After we determined that, he ordered his own hall sensors. I told him what hall sensors he needed to order. I also sent him links on the equipment that he would need to change his hall sensors from Amazon. Simple soldering iron kit with some helping hands and desoldering tool. And this man, who has only been in the e-bikes 2 months, as I said, was able to change his own hall sensors, a job that will cost you anywhere from $350 to $500 depending on where you go. And he did it himself. All right, here's a brief clip. It took a whole lot longer than what I'm going to show, but I'm just going to show the important part. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and say deuces, I'm out, and y'all check this video out. Because that way the starter won't stick to it, and if it's hot enough, you know, it'll melt a whole lot better and it won't clump on you. There's a little button on the side that you push and it retracts back up real fast.
Oh, shut it like that? I'll just hold it down.
On the desoldering iron, no. You push it down and it will lock.
Yeah.
And then there's a little button on the side. When you push the button, the plunger should eject back up really fast.
Yeah, and suck the solder with it.
Yeah. Matter of fact, I got mine right here. You figured out how to make it suck, right?
Yeah.
Okay. You basically got to put like that little tip of that desoldering tool right on the tip of the soldering iron. It's made out of a special plastic that it won't melt.
Yep, no, I got it. It's working now.
Okay, okay.
Took me a second, but I got it.
Cool.
Wow, this thing works good. Got the green hole or the yellow holes lit up.
Okay.
Using a wrench to turn this.
And there they go, flickering in sequence as they should. Looks good to me.
Yep. All
Awesome,
right.
man.
Back on.
Awesome, and we did that online.
Yeah, we did this online. I mean, this is crazy. All right, let me put this tire back on.
Okay.
Oh wait, you know what I need to do? I need to wrap this back up.
That's where it got severed at, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me wrap it a little bit. I'm gonna bring it to someone to get it wrapped really good.
You know, you can go to the auto store, wrap it up a little bit, but go to the auto store and get that convoluted tubing. That's like that tubing they use in your engine compartment to.
I already have it. Actually, I have some of it already.
Okay.
And I'm gonna use that with zip ties.
There you go. So, absolutely, we just performed a diagnostic and a repair online via a video call.
I feel like this was like in a movie when they have to perform surgery and someone's got to tell them how to do it through a phone call.
I just watched a movie like that last night, man. It was called Ambulance. You see that movie?
Oh, Ambulance? Yeah, I know the movie.
Yeah, and that's what the girl did with the two doctors or the emergency surgeons. They did it online just like this. She did something to the guy's spleen or something. He got shot.
Yeah.
And she did the surgery just like we just did these Hall sensors.
Yeah, we just revived this motor. I mean, I never thought I'd be able to do something like this. This is what I cut open, but I'm just going to put this around it for now. Just to hold it together.
Right.
And I'm going to...
And you can actually, if you got some real good electrical tape, I don't know what kind of tape that is, you can wrap the tape around it and it would still have that same form as that tubing.
I got I'm going to use whatever I got, but I'm going to get something better for sure.
Okay.
Look actually pretty good.
Now, like I said, when you get that new motor, man, if those casings are exactly the same, you don't have to relace that new motor. You can just pull that whole stator out and stick the new one in. But I mean, that's up to you.
Yeah, no, that's what I'm gonna do for sure.
Yeah.
Absolutely. I don't want to have to do more than I need to.
Yeah, that definitely keeps you from having to relace and retire and all that, man.
You gotta rebalance the whole thing too, then.
I know a guy who he did that, ordered a new motor, took all the spokes off the other one, the tire and everything, and then after I went over there and saw it, I was like, man, you know, you could have just pulled the stator out. And he was like, oh man, it took me like 2 days to lace up that rim. Alright, so you guys seen enough of the video. So, like, yeah, I'm looking a little scruffy, man. But anyway, y'all saw the video. I was able to assist that man in helping him change his hall sensors. Okay? And that's what I have spoke on a many a time that I could do via my Patreon. Alright? So, you guys want to be able to DIY your own e-bikes, scooters, whatever? Join my Patreon. You're going to have to join one of the mid-tier or the top tier in order to get that type of access. So we can, do a video chat and all that. And you will have to pay for your Patreon membership. But that man just saved themselves $300 to $400 doing it himself. Okay? So yeah, it can work, and I can instruct you how to repair your bike online via the internet. So join my Patreon, Crisscross and Wise, YouTube. Peace.